The Wi-Fi light blinked once. Then it went dark. Leo stared at the screen.
Ah, Dad. It's gone.
The house felt very quiet. Too quiet. Saturday morning. Sunlight slips through the curtains. A kettle clicks off in the kitchen. Mom hums softly while pouring tea. Dad scrolls on his phone. Leo, 10 years old, sits on the floor, tablet in hand, thumb moving fast. Mia, his older sister, 14, leans on the couch, earbuds in, eyes tired. Mom looks around. She smiles, but it's a small one.
Breakfast is ready.
No one answers. Plates clink, chairs move. Still quiet. Leo doesn't look up. Mia pulls one earbud out.
What?
Mom sits down. She doesn't say much, just watches them. Dad puts his phone face down. He clears his throat.
Quick idea. Let's turn off the internet this weekend.
Silence. Mia's eyes widen.
What?
Leo sits up.
No games?
Dad nods.
No videos.
Leo frowns.
That's boring.
Mom reaches for Leo's hand.
Just 2 days. We're still here.
Mia sighs.
This is gonna be long.
Dad stands up. He walks to the router. The small lights blink, then go dark. Time moves slow. Too slow. Leo pokes the screen. Nothing. He presses again. Nothing. He drops the tablet on the couch. Mia stares at the wall. She taps her phone. No signal. She groans.
I hate this.
Mom opens a window. Birds rush in with the air. Dad grabs a broom. He starts sweeping. The sound fills the room.
Sure.
Leo watches dust move. He notices the sun on the floor. It makes a warm square. Mom puts bread in the toaster. It pops. Too loud. Everyone jumps. They laugh. Just a little. After breakfast, there's nothing to do. No plans, no noise. Leo walks to the bookshelf. He pulls out an old puzzle. Some pieces are missing. He shrugs. Mia sits on the floor. She joins him. They don't talk. They just fit pieces together. Slow. Careful. Outside, a dog barks. A bike bell rings. The world feels closer. By afternoon, the mood changes. Leo kicks the puzzle box.
This is dumb.
Mia snaps.
Stop!
Leo stands.
I want my game.
Dad looks tired. Mom folds laundry. Her hands slow. She looks at Leo.
I know it's hard.
Leo's eyes shine.
I don't know what to do.
Mom kneels. She hugs him. No words. Mia watches. She looks away. Later, the power goes out. The room goes dark. Leo gasps. Dad laughs softly.
It's okay.
Mom lights a candle. The flame shakes. Shadows dance on the wall. Mia's face looks different. Calmer. A little scared.
Now what?
The sky is orange. Clouds move slow. The air smells like grass. They
Look at
walk
that
to the
sunset
small
over the
park
trees.
nearby. No
light is
phones,
really pretty right
no
now.
music,
I
just
wonder if the swings are
footsteps. Leo finds a stick. He drags it along the fence. It makes a sound. Mia kicks a stone. It skips once, then twice. She smiles. At the park, an old man sits on a bench. He feeds birds. One bird hops close. Leo freezes. The bird looks at him, then pecks a crumb. Leo whispers.
Did you see that?
Dad nods. Mom smiles. That night, they sit on the floor, candle in the middle. The power is still out. Dad tells a short story about when he was a kid, about getting lost once. Leo listens, eyes wide. Mia leans in. She laughs at the end, a real laugh. Mom brings out a notebook.
Let's draw.
Leo draws the bird, big wings. Mia draws the park. She adds the orange sky. Dad draws the house with the lights on. They sit close, shoulders touching. The candle flickers. For a moment, no one moves. No one speaks. The silence feels warm, safe. Leo looks up.
Can we do this again tomorrow?
Dad's eyes soften.
Sunday morning. The power is back. The router lights blink. They don't rush. They make pancakes. Flour on the table. Leo flips one.
I think the
It
dog
falls.
will appreciate that one.
Everyone laughs. Mia takes photos. Not for posting, just for keeping. After breakfast, Dad reaches for the router. He pauses, looks at Mom. She nods. He leaves it off. They go
glad we decided to
outside
come out this
again.
morning.
They walk,
Perfect weather.
they talk,
Yeah.
they
and the light
stop
coming through the
and
trees
listen.
is really pretty.